Hi, welcome back to Fighting 50 in Susie's Garden. Today is January 17th, and I am going to start getting my garden ready for the spring. I'm here in Southern California, so it's a gorgeous day. Today's about, I think 79, 80 degrees, but it's gonna cool off and rain next week. So I have a few days when it's cooler and I could start tearing up the backyard. So first off, I'm going to give you a little brief tour of the backyard and what it looks like right now, and then we're going to do the seed haul. So excited. So the backyard is a complete disaster. I just started weeding and kind of turning the ground here. I have to still remove all the old plants that just kind of have been trying to stay alive, but most of them are dead. This is the lemon tree, which is in full bloom. So the backyard is a disaster, like an utter and complete disaster. So it's gonna take me at least a week. I have to clean out all that area that's just horrible, and I'm going to do that this week when it cools off. And then my broccoli, I let it grow out so I could collect the seeds. So I didn't pull the broccoli at all because I wanted to get the seeds from it, which the birds are beating me to it, and they actually came and devoured most of it. So that's not good. I wasn't quick enough. My tomatoes are still growing and thriving. They're doing wonderfully. They've actually gotten bigger and fatter, but we have some culprits here snacking on them. We have one dead zucchini plant trying to produce a zucchini. So this is what it looks like as of now, and I think the transformation is going to be pretty crazy, so I'm excited to share that. So I'm going to get my seeds out, and I am going to show you my spring 2021 seed haul. I'm pretty excited. Can't wait to start my new spring garden. Before I start my seed haul with you guys, I want to show you the papaya, how it's coming along. It's insane. This I grew, and you could check the video out, from a seed from a papaya I bought in the supermarket, and this is how so look at these. Are they not the most gorgeous things ever? Crazy, right? Okay, so here we are. Time for seed haul. I want to start with this because I am so utterly excited to actually get to plant this year. This is a squash from Italy. It's like a zucchini but enormous. We call it a cucuzza, and it's huge. It's just a huge, enormous squash that grows on a vine, and I grew up eating this sauteed in soups. It's so good that I don't know how to explain it to you, how delicious it is, but I'm really excited, and I'm just hoping that these flourish. I have 2 packs. They've been here. They're extremely, extremely old. My mom found these seeds in her cupboard, and they actually say 2007. So I don't know if the seeds are going to be any good, but I'm definitely going to try. What do I have to lose, right? Okay, so now the next ones I'm going to go over are seeds that I got from my garden. Okay, so I dried these seeds, which are honeydew melon seeds. I'm excited about these as well. There's a date on it. My Italian basil, this is the purple basil I got from my garden as well. And here is I got here's this, that squash is this one. That's from the supermarket. Now, those are, oh, here are the papaya seeds that I grew those papayas from in August. So I collected the seeds in August and I grew them from the seed, and we are in January. So this says what, August 11th. So August, September, October, November, December, January, 5 months. Took 5 months to grow it that big. And this summer I'm gonna get to plant it outside, so I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, so I'm going to be planting spaghetti squash, yellow squash, traditional green zucchini, eggplant, Italian Roma tomatoes, red and green bell peppers. I'm so excited to just start planting everything. It's like so, oh, I've been waiting for this. I've obviously parsley, and let's see in here. I'm also going to plant this eggplant, the Middle Eastern zucchini, onions. I am going to plant, which I'm excited, I haven't planted this yet, ever. So this is going to be the first time I plant the tomato Ace 55, which I'm really excited to try out. I'm going to also try this brand new one, which is the green zebra tomato. I always plant cantaloupe because I love cantaloupe. I have never planted this. This is going to be a first as well. And I'm excited to see if I could actually make it flourish. The trumpet squash, which I enjoy quite a bit. The honey nut squash, sweet Reba squash. As for tomatoes, I don't think I'm going to plant any more of the heirloom ones that I just showed you in the garden. We have a lot, and I'm pretty sure they're going to stick around, so I'm not going to bother planting those again. I'm definitely going to plant my onions, and of course the basil, right? I plant 6 different kinds of basil, and so basil is definitely something I love having in my garden. Okay, so I'm going to do the mini watermelons again. I'm going to do the cabbage, both types, and then I'm going to do some cucumber and celery, and then onions. I am going to do these onions. I'm also going to do the Greek oregano. This is the ones that are growing right now, the eggplant that are growing right now. I'm going to add chamomile and lavender to the garden, sage, fennel, and I showed you the onions, some more squash, and cucumbers. So I think that's basically everything. I have a lot to be planting, and I'm really excited to get started. It's where I am feeling the most peaceful, the most happy is when I'm in the garden, working in the garden, planting, growing things. I started the garden the beginning of quarantine, and it was probably the best decision I made was to start that garden, because it really just gave me time to meditate, pray, be grateful, be thankful, and just work with my hands. And it was just something that relieved stress, and it just made me feel so happy. And so this spring I am excited to do it again, and I learned so many things I didn't know that I will definitely share with you as we go along. I know that my gardening videos don't really get a lot of views. Most people just want to see me do my hair videos and skincare videos, and that's great. I love doing those too, but I will continue doing my garden videos because it's something that I love and it's something I enjoy and I want to share. And so I don't really care if it gets a lot of views or not, to be honest. It's just something that I'm passionate about and I love it and I want to share it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell me if you're going to start a garden or if you are a gardener. And if you need any tips on anything in particular, let me know. I'm so happy that I started this channel, that you're sharing it with, that we're sharing these moments together. And if you like my videos, subscribe, hit notifications, and have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye, see you soon.